Hi everyone, my name is Tommy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who follow me regularly, you'll know that it has been a minute since I've done anything. And I do apologize. I was really sick for about 2 weeks and I was not able to film or edit or do anything besides go to work. But here I am, ready to make you guys a great video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I have a full face on of just my foundation. I have my brows done. I have my setting powder in place. And I am ready to start going in with some new products. So I'll be using the MAC Patrick Star collaboration. This is a box called Miso Chick. That's like the, I guess, shade range because there's two different boxes. This one is a little bit lighter than the other one as far as the shades go. It does have 4 products in it. The first of which I'll go over is a smaller eyeshadow palette. So this does have 4 shades. So you guys can see, really pretty shades. I'm very excited to go in with those on the eye. It also comes with a lipstick. Definitely more on the nude side of things, but I still think it's going to be really pretty. And also a gloss here. See, I'm very excited to try all of these out. And the last thing that we have here is what looks to be a contouring slash blush duo, or bronzing slash blush duo. Very excited for this one. And that's actually what we're going to go into right now. So the shade names on this one are I'm Not Blushing and oh, that's it. It's just one name. I was expecting to. I'm Not Blushing. Okay. So I'm going to be going in with this Urban Decay brush right here, and I'm just going to be going into the darker bronzing side, and that's what I'm going to be using for my contour today. I usually don't use powders because I feel like it's a lot harder to achieve what I want with a powder than with a cream. But here we are testing out new products for you guys. So first impressions, it's a little aggressive for my skin tone. For sure.
Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I, baby?
Next, we're going to be going in with the Morphe MB43. This brush right here. We're going to be going into the blush side of things. We're just going to give ourselves a little bit of a pink moment right here. Okay, next we're going to be going in with this eyeshadow palette here. I think what we're going to end up doing is just doing, a pretty basic lighter eye. These are some pretty aggressive colors, so I'm going to see what I can do. I'll be going in with the Morphe M321, and I'll be going in with this shade right here. Barely any fallout on this. I'm very surprised. I'm going to go ahead and start going in by starting on just my lower lid and blending it upward. Next I'm going to be going in with this darker purple shade. I'll be going in more towards the center of my eye, going outward, but not too aggressively. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M213, and I'll be going into this much darker purple shade here, and that's just going to be on the outer corner, really close to the lash line, and I'm just going to blend that out. And then for some extra drama, I'm just going to be going in with this last shade here. And we're putting it right snug against the lash line, just on the outer corner. And I'll also be going in with the same Morphe M213. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off of camera and I will be right back. Okay everyone, the other eye is done. I have cleaned up the edges and we are back. What do you guys think? I'm kind of loving the purple outer corner moment. The pigmentation was definitely there and there was barely any fallout in this one, so I really do like it. Now for the lips today, I think we're actually going to do a combo. I'm going to try out the lipstick and then top it with the gloss just to seal it in. So this one is called Sweet Mama Star. I'm kind of loving the color on this one. Let's see how it applies on the lips. And for the gloss today, I will be using this one right here. It is called Mama Star Kiss. Very excited for it. This one was a little bit underwhelming, probably because I'm using it as a topper. If I was to just swatch it, let me see. Okay, it does have some pretty decent pigmentation, as you guys can see. We will see how it dries down. And then just to set everything in place, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Fix Plus. This is one of their new ones in the scent Lavender. I absolutely love it. Just that like iconic smell of Fix Plus is just so good. Okay. And with that, I believe I have tried all of the products. So this box does retail for $49. I like it. It was pretty. I think that there should have been more shadows for sure. It was a little bit hard for me to come up with a whole look with just these 4 shadows. There was very little fallout though, and the pigmentation was really great. So overall, really good job on this one. The blush and bronzer, a little bit aggressive for me. I'm not sure if it's because I didn't blend it correctly or it's just the shades, but this one was a little bit too aggressive for me. I don't think I'll be using the bronzer in the future, but I will definitely be using the blush. I think it warmed up my face a little bit and gave me a little bit of pop that I just really needed. The lipstick. Great formula, very creamy, just like all the MAC lipsticks I've tried before. Glided on very smoothly, great coverage, great color, 10 out of 10. And then of course the gloss. The pigmentation was pretty good. It feels good on the skin. Nice pretty sparkle. Pretty good gloss, what can I say? Well, for those of you who stick with me to the end, thank you so much for being here and watching. Let me know if you'd liked it in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday unless of course I have a weird sickness and something comes up. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.